Hi, I'm Mickey Johnson, and I'm a personal injury attorney here in San Antonio. If you're ever in a car accident, knowing what to do can make all the difference in protecting your rights and ensuring you get the help you need. The first thing you should do is check for injuries. If you or anyone else is hurt, call 911 immediately and request medical assistance. Your safety is the top priority. Next, if you're able, exchange information with the other driver, including their name, phone number, and insurance details. This information is critical for filing a claim. If other drivers leave the scene, try to get their license plate number and any identifying details. Always call the police, even for minor accidents. When officers arrive, they will create an official accident report, which serves as an essential piece of evidence if you need to file a claim or pursue legal action. Once you've addressed these steps, consider consulting a personal injury attorney to help you navigate the claims process and protect your rights. When it comes to personal injury cases, the right legal support makes all the difference. Get connected with a trusted attorney today through salawhelp.org.